Biotonians, this is your favorite Vani ma'am in front of you once again. And how can we not have a super sizzler of a Sunday for you, my lovely Biotonians, and give you surprise पे surprise. पहले ये बताओ कैसे हो और संडे कैसा चल रहा है? पढ़ाई कर रहे हो या नहीं? या मंडे को आने वाले हो पिटाई खाने के लिए? Come on now, tell me everybody, are you studying well and how is the Josh? I'm sure it is very, very high. We at Vedantu, we at We Biotonic truly care for you. अब आप सोचोगे care for you, मैम कहना क्या चाह रही हैं? तो वो मैं अभी आपको थोड़ी देर में बताने वाली हूँ. But you know, I always tell you this one thing. At Vedantu, we are focused on only one thing, and that one thing is students. We are obsessed with our students and we will never leave any stone unturned to make sure that you benefit from it. हमें ये भी पता है that so many of you could not get a seat this year because of the coronavirus. ऐसा नहीं कि आप पढ़ना नहीं चाहते थे या पढ़ नहीं सकते थे, but because of some or the other problems, somehow you could not make it this year, and we feel कि अगर हम आपको empower और enable नहीं करेंगे तो कौन करेगा? So it is very important for us to be there for our students, to guide, motivate and help our students. And therefore, we bring to you the Vedantu NEET Scholarship. This one scholarship, my dear children, can change your entire life. It has the ability to give your preparation a brand new direction. It has the ability to push you towards a rank. We are ready for the plan of scholarship. Are you ready for the scholarship? If yes, raise your hands and let me tell you about the scholarship, my dear children. But before we move ahead, ये रहा आपका चैनल जिसे आप सबको like, subscribe, bell icon को press कीजिए so that you don't miss out any of these super amazing notifications that we get only and only for you. Also, आप कभी भी कहीं पर भी फंस जाएं, कोई भी problem हो related to your academic studies, related to NEET, make sure you want to talk to me, you want to get your problem solved, you want to have polls, discussions, chats. Make sure that you become a part of Vedantu_Biotonic. So Telegram की app download कर लीजिए और Vedantu_Biotonic के part बन जाइए. और अब मैं आपके सामने लेकर आई हूं हमारी नीट की स्कॉलरशिप. सो आर यू अ नीट स्टूडेंट? इफ यस, हिट द लाइक बटन राइट नाउ. अभी के अभी लाइक बटन पे प्रेस कर दो ताकि मुझे पता चल जाए कि आप सबके सब यस, आप सब नीट के स्टूडेंट्स हैं. अगर आप नीट के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, सो वी वांट अ ब्रांड बिल्डिंग रिकॉग्निशन ऑफ मेरिट. हम चाहते हैं कि हम आपको इंपावर करें, हम आपकी मेहनत को इंपावर करें, रिकॉग्नाइज करें, एंड वी आर देयर विद यू. वी वांट टू सपोर्ट यू. सो वी ब्रिंग टू यू अ टियर्ड स्कॉलरशिप where we are going to give scholarships to all the students who have attained ranks in this exam. Yes, we want to enable you. So all of us who fall into these categories, which this much % cut off, are eligible for a scholarship. अगर आपकी rank less than 10,000 है, we will give you a 60% scholarship. NEET rank between 10,000 to 15,000 will get 50% off in all the courses that Vedantu will bring only for you. 15,000 to 30,000 rank, you get a 20% off. 30,000 to 50,000, 10% off, and 50,000 to 60,000 will get a 5% off. So you have to register right now to avail this scholarship. Chale jaiye, it is also put in the description box. Please go to vdnt.in/WeNeed21 and register for yourself right now. अब आपके मन में क्वेश्चन आएगा, मैम क्या पता कोई गलत रैंक बता दे. ऑब्वियसली ऐसा हो सकता है. सो योर डॉक्यूमेंट्स विल बी वेरीफाइड by the Vedantu team, and then if your documents are right, you will become eligible for the super amazing scholarship. एक बार दोबारा देख लीजिए. ये रहा scholarship का criteria for the NEET 2021, because you get one more chance to go after your dreams. We promise to enable you to go after your dreams. AIMS, AFMC and other top colleges are waiting for you in the NEET 2021. And we want to enable you. So register कीजिए अभी. After verification of your documents, we will help you to crack this exam. So guys, let's rock NEET. See you after the scholarship in our classes. Bye. Thank you.